video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can sign up for Walmart. But before that, how you guys can create yourself a Walmart account. Let me tell you guys what Walmart is. Walmart is a store in America. In a short form, it's a retail store in America. And if you guys want to order stuff from online version of Walmart, then basically you need to create yourself an account. And this video is just for you guys. I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can create yourself a Walmart account so you guys can, buy stuff from Walmart online. You don't have to go to their, retail store physically. If you want to go physically, you can go to physically as well. They have a lot of branches throughout America. You can just Google it and go to their branch to buy stuff as well. But by signing up into, Walmart, you can buy stuff online. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, first step is you want to go to walmart.com by going to your search engine like this. It's going to take you to the official website of Walmart. Once you're over here, you want to click on Red's account. Once you click on account, you want to go on Red's sign in. Once you go on sign in, it's going to take you to the sign in page of Walmart. But since we do not have an account, we can't sign in from over here. So we're going to click on create account. Once you click on create account, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can create yourself a Walmart account. Now it's pretty simple to create yourself a Walmart account. You just need to enter your name, your first name, your last name, and your email address, and you want to enter a password for your Walmart account. After doing that, just click on create account, and once you click on create account, basically your Walmart account will be created. And when logging into your Walmart account, you want to enter the email address and your password, whichever thing you entered over here, and you should be able to log in into your account. And after you log in into your account, you can buy stuff from Walmart's, online shop as well. So that's basically how you guys can, create yourself a Walmart account. It's that simple. So